While wild horses have inspired awe and admiration in humans for generations, they have also been subject to exploitation, capture, and domestication. In recent years, efforts to protect and preserve wild horse populations have gained momentum, with conservation organizations, advocacy groups, and government agencies working to find sustainable solutions to the challenges facing these iconic animals. Wild horses are more than just symbols of freedom and the untamed spirit of the American West. They are living symbols of resilience, adaptability, and the enduring bond between humans and animals. As stewards of the natural world, it is our responsibility to protect and preserve these magnificent creatures and ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at their beauty and majesty in the wild.